Hi guys, those who are going for the exam now for slot 3, do not change your strategy. Don't make any drastic changes into the strategy. Play as how you're playing the mocks, because if you change your strategy, it can falter as well. So I don't recommend changing any strategy. So what is the target? Depend upon that. 99 percentile, 90 percentile, 90, 80, 70. I'm going to give you 5 numbers. How much is going to be the ideal attempt in the exam? So it all depends on the accuracy. This year accuracy is going to play the main game, because attempts are anyway less. Because the time was less, the number of attempts automatically came down. So if your target is 99 percentile, so verbal section 20 to 24 attempt, DLR 16 to 20, quant 20 to 24. This is the attempt which people have done. Now, for example, an engineer from NIT or IIT, of course, he can do much more questions. So that's why he can touch easily 20, 24 questions. So depending on his accuracy, he will be getting 99 percentile plus. Or if you're doing around, suppose, now I'm saying 20 here, but there will be students who have done only 18 attempts, but all 18 correct, or 16 attempts, 16 correct. Then in that case, you can also expect 99 percentile. But here I'm assuming a 80% accuracy. 80% accuracy, जो आम Indian student का accuracy है, based on that 99 percentile is going to be this target. Moving to the 95 percentile. So in case you want 95 percentile, target attempt should have been 20-22, DLR 14 to 16, quant 18 to 20. That should be your attempt for 95 percentile. Oral attempt should be around 48 to 52. The mota 50 question you should have touched in case you are attempting that much. Okay, moving to the 90 percentile, 14 to 18, 13, 11, 13, quant 13 to 15, and overall 42 marks is for 90 percentile. 80 percentile, 11, 13, 8, 10, total 33 marks. Now for all the reserved category student, you have to touch this 80 percentile ka number. So 80 percentile ka number touch karna should be your target for the reserved category student, 80 percentile in each of the sections. And then overall automatically you will get the IIM calls. For open category student, for all the engineers, GEM, 90 percentile individual section wise, if you can touch, you can easily cross the IIM ka thing. But again, this is based on your accuracy. This all depends on your accuracy. Now don't take me to court for this case. सर आपने तो कहा था कि for example 14 क्वेश्चन करने से मैं 90 percentile आ जाएगा, but मेरा तो 45 आया, तो भाई तूने सारे क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग किए, तो मैं क्या करूँ? This will give you a मोटा thumb rule. These are the numbers which are there. So I believe this is going to be the, and slot 1, slot 2. Slot 2 was slightly high, especially DLS section ka level was slightly high than the morning slot. In that case, your cutoff might go slightly low. So maybe 14 question correct, 14 attempt, 14 correct can fetch you 99. All depend on your accuracy. I'm again and again say the same thing. Accuracy is going to be the key this year. Yeah, because the time was less, number of attempt automatically will go down. Yeah, so mota if you need the number 55 to 60 attempt for 99 percentile, 48 to 50 attempt, 52 attempt for 95 percentile, 40 to 42 for 90, 33, 35, and 24, 28. Once I'll get the third slot ka numbers as well, I'll give you the exact cutoff, exact pointer required for the exact correct question required for 99 and 95, 90 percentile. Alright, so I'll be making another video now for slot 3, and then we'll be comparing all the slots as we go along. So I'm at the center only today. I'm going to sit here and do all my analysis. Fortunately, I got a room here to make my videos. Thank to the sir. All the best.